What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. It's a wonderful Sunday morning. We're gonna go to a quick ride. We're gonna do some errands. Wife's gotta go do a couple things. I gotta go to Best Buy, pick up some a tripod, and we're gonna get some lunch together. At the moment, right now, super sunny, super sunny. We're looking at a high of probably 60 degrees on this beautiful, beautiful day. To you guys that are out in the north, take care of yourself with all that snow, all right? Get the shoveling. I'm just kidding. So there's the bike. We're gonna get on that view again that you guys were asking to do more of. And yeah, we're just gonna go on a quick ride. We're gonna try out the heated gear, even though it's not, we just wearing it just in case it does get windy on the road. So we're both wearing our heated gear, all right? And make sure you cop your merchandise from Barber CVO in the building on the description down below, and then you guys could order it and you'll have it within a week, all right? So tune in to the next time. Quick for eat some lunch. We're at Anteojos Latino in Savannah, Georgia. We stopped by to get something to eat, and yeah, we're about to show you the food that we're gonna have for lunch. These are the kind of plates that we're talking about here. Check this out. Wow. make sure you stop by over here. Antojo Latino in Savannah, Georgia. All right, so it was a fantastic lunch we had today at this Colombian restaurant right there. There's the name right there. And now we're hit the road and enjoy the weather. Are you cold, babe, or not really? She's always cold. So, all right, see you on the road. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Barber CVO channel. Get ready. Okay. I'm not gonna edit that, but letting people know how you treat me. Just kidding.
I'm kidding.
Get on.
Let me hop on that.
Hold up. All right, go.
Let me hop on it.
Don't cursing on my channel. Don't move. Hold on.